Ever feel like your work life is a tangled mess of to-do lists, overflowing inboxes, and scattered documents? You're not alone. Millions struggle with juggling tasks, deadlines, and communication across different platforms. What if there was a solution? A central hub that streamlines everything, keeps projects organized, and fosters seamless collaboration. Enter ClickUp, the all-in-one productivity powerhouse. But here's the real question. Does ClickUp cost an arm and a leg to access all these amazing features? Hold your horses. ClickUp understands the diverse needs of individuals and teams. That's why they offer a generous freemium model, making their core functionality accessible to everyone. So, let's dive deep and explore what the ClickUp free plan offers, helping you decide if it's the key to unlocking your productivity potential. The power of free. What ClickUp offers without breaking the bank. ClickUp's free plan is anything but basic. It's packed with features that can significantly improve your workflow and team management. Here's a taste of what you get. Unlimited tasks and lists. Breathe a sigh of relief. You can create as many tasks and lists as you need to break down your projects into manageable chunks. Multiple assignees and due dates. Collaborate seamlessly by assigning tasks to team members and setting clear deadlines. No more finger-pointing or missed deadlines. Real-time collaboration. Ditch the endless email chains. ClickUp's real-time collaboration features allow your team to discuss tasks, share files, and provide feedback directly within the platform. Kanban boards for visual organization. Visualize your project progress with Kanban boards. Drag and drop tasks between different stages, keeping everyone on the same page. 2 GB cloud storage. Store essential project files, images, and documents securely within ClickUp. Goal setting and tracking. Define your goals and track your progress visually. Stay motivated and celebrate milestones achieved. But wait, there's more. This is just the tip of the iceberg. ClickUp's free plan also includes multiple views. Choose the view that best suits your needs. List view, Kanban boards, calendar view. ClickUp lets you organize your workload however you find most intuitive. Basic automations. Automate repetitive tasks to save precious time. ClickUp's free plan allows you to set up basic automations, ensuring tasks move seamlessly through your workflow. Guest users. Need input from someone outside your ClickUp team? Invite them as guest users for a smooth collaboration experience. Who can benefit most from the free plan? ClickUp's free plan is ideal for a variety of users. Individuals, freelancers, students, and anyone looking to organize their personal workload can leverage ClickUp's free features to boost their productivity. Small teams, startups, remote teams, or small businesses with limited budgets can use the free plan to manage projects and collaborate effectively. Basic project management. If you're new to project management tools or need a streamlined solution for simple projects, the free plan offers a robust foundation. Is the free plan all you need? The free plan is a fantastic starting point. However, as your needs evolve, you might find yourself wanting more. ClickUp offers paid plans with additional features like increased storage space. Need to store more files? Higher tiers offer more cloud storage capacity. Advanced automations. Automate complex workflows and eliminate manual tasks with the paid plans. Time tracking. Track your team's time spent on tasks for better project budgeting and resource allocation. Mind maps and whiteboards. Brainstorm and visualize ideas with mind maps and whiteboards, fostering creative collaboration. Custom fields and advanced reporting. Gain deeper insights into your projects with custom fields and advanced reporting features. Priority support. Get dedicated support from the ClickUp team for a seamless user experience. The choice is yours, free or freemium. ClickUp empowers you to choose the plan that best fits your needs and budget. The free plan offers a strong foundation for individuals and small teams, while the paid plans cater to complex workflows and larger teams. The best way to decide? Sign up for the free plan and experience the power of ClickUp firsthand. You might be surprised at how much you can achieve without spending a dime. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy clicking.